My name is Kate Mackay, and I'm Associate Director of the Center for Educational Resources in Culture, Language and Literacy, CERCLL, at the University of Arizona. CERCLL's projects have created resources in multiple languages that are accessible for free on our website. In recent years, we've developed language-specific materials such as Macaws, which is a repository of Portuguese and Russian materials, LLC Commons, a portal focused on open educational resources that can be used for online, hybrid, or technology-enhanced courses in Slavic language, literature, and culture. And Dorm Talk, where educators will find free modules for teachers and students that are based on authentic exchanges and can be used as supplementary resources for the learning and teaching of Chinese. CERCLL also creates materials that are not language-specific, but are intended for language and culture educators in general. These include our resources for social justice and anti-racism in the L2 classroom, a compiled collection that includes a wide range of materials to read, watch, and listen to, which will help teachers to think about how anti-racist pedagogy might inform their practices, as well as a series of webinar recordings on this topic, along with their partnered resources. Recently, we published a guide to working with text online and in remote teaching contexts. We have a website full of resources that provide language educators with pedagogical strategies and practical suggestions for implementing social media into language courses to promote intercultural competence. And we have new grade-level lists of global fiction and nonfiction literature that address outdated and ethnocentric cultural perspectives in the list of exemplars of text complexity used in the Common Core State Standards, as well as language and culture kits in multiple languages and world regions. CERCLL's professional development takes the form of in-person workshops in summer institutes and online webinars. Topics for these sessions are selected from feedback received from educators who attend our events and from research and pedagogies developed through CERCLL projects. Participants in these events can receive continuing education certificates and digital badges. They're invited to sessions in which they can share and receive peer feedback on curriculum materials they are developing. And they're invited to share their materials with other educators on CERCLL's website. CERCLL also hosts professional learning online networks, or PLONs, online spaces that foster linkages between language teaching, research, and practice, and that allow educators to share ideas and resources. Members of the PLONs can apply for funding to purchase materials for their classrooms or to present their projects at regional and national conferences. A further focus of CERCLL's is the creation of spaces that allow academics and practitioners around the world to share knowledge and best practices. We have two conferences for this purpose: the L2 Digital Literacy Symposium and the Intercultural Competence Conference. The next conference will take place in January 2022 and focuses on engagement, equity, and access in intercultural education. Registration scholarships are available for teachers who wish to attend this event. More recently, CERCLL has been participating in community events and festivals, such as the UA Language Fair and Tucson Meet Yourself, and our culture and language exchange videos in which we encourage community members to share aspects of their language and culture, and educators to use those in their classrooms. Visit our website, sign up to learn more about opportunities that are coming from CERCLL soon.